Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So we're going to talk about localized dry spots today. And we're not going to confuse this with fungus, disease, insect damage. This is a dry spot. And what is a dry spot? It's areas in your lawn like these that may get brown or bluish gray. No matter how much you water your lawn, they always come back. Now this can be from compaction. This can be from rocks and stone up underneath the soil. It can be from cement. It can be from building debris that the builder just buried in the ground. But no matter what you do, it always comes back. So what do? On these spots right here, I have come out here with a bucket of water that's got dishwashing liquid in it, and I've poured it on these spots, and then I've let it sit for a few minutes, and then I come in and I water all that in, and it breaks the surface tension. I think they call this hydrophobic, where the ground doesn't want to absorb the water or irrigation. No matter how much you try to put it down, it just runs off. So that bucket of water and dishwashing liquid helps to break that. Or you can use a product like this. And you guys know my channel, I do not advertise products, and I'm not advertising this. I'm not getting anything out of this. I'm just telling you, you can go to a discount store and you can get this right now on clearance. It's a moisture manager. You wet your lawn, you spray it, then you water it in, and it takes care of itself. There's also another brand of this that's called Hydrotain that a lot of people use. I'm not going to go on record saying these two are the same exact products. I'm sure there's some type of difference, but the main ingredient that you want to look for, I believe, is called humate, and I don't see it on this bottle, but I believe that's what it is. Now down here along my road, this curb and cement, there is a dry spot / strip right there, and that's from the curb heating this up, also from the slate rock up underneath the soil. And so no matter how much water I put on this, it dries out. So I use a product like this. It keeps the moisture in the soil, and it eliminates how much that I have to water the lawn in those spots. Now that's for localized dry spots. There are some times when I know we're going to go through a drought period, well, I'll come out and I'll do an entire blanket spray on the lawn. I water the lawn, I spray this, and then I water it in. You have to do it in those steps. And if I know we're going to go through a dry period, I do this, and it works every time for me. Works over here, down next to the mailbox is a dry spot. It works down there. In a couple days, that dry spot, you won't be able to see it. Where I keep the lawn short, the dog days of summer right now, August, you know, a lot of heat going on right now. And so I'll spray this because there's a lot of sand there, tendency for the grass to get dried out, and that helps maintain the moisture in it. Up here next to the house, I do have a combination of compaction, building debris, and rock all in one. You're not gonna be able to tell on this video, but I'm gonna point my finger at, from there back to the landscaping is one huge dry spot. And I didn't notice it until today when I was watering the ferns on the porch. So I got out here, I sprayed water on it, then I sprayed this and I watered it in, and in a few days this will all be recovered. I sprayed it back here where we have a lot of water runoff and it's dry. This can't maintain moisture. This probably needs to be aerated. Right now we're at the end of the summer, so I'm not really going to do it. It'd be hard to do it right now anyways. It's dry and tough as this ground is, but it really needs the soil opened up so air can get down in it, water it, and add some amendments. But I'm going to do this. There goes Bermuda Brian's daughter.
Off to practice.
And that's all I got for you, just talking about moisture manager and hot spots today. Got any comments? Leave them below. Bermuda Brian out.